This is my Mustang. Trying to track down this misfire. Been working on it for a few months now. I've replaced just about everything in here, every sensor, the ignition control module, redid the mag pickup in the distributor, new intake, heads, valves, new coil, MSD, new battery, 3G alternator, wired it all correctly, checked all my grounds. The IAC is new, double check the EGR. I'm just running out of options, so I'm going to fire it up and let you guys listen to it, okay?